Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Lego set is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys available for a 6-year-old boy, offering endless opportunities for creativity, problem-solving, and imaginative play that can captivate their attention for hours on end, making it an excellent choice for fostering cognitive development and fine motor skills through hands-on construction and storytelling adventures that grow with their abilities. Number 5. KOKODI 10-inch LCD Writing Tablet. Introducing the KOKODI LCD Writing Tablet, a safe and engaging way for your child to explore their creativity. Its colorful screen uses advanced eye protection technology, ensuring comfortable use for hours. This drawing tablet is designed for sustainability. With a long-lasting, replaceable battery and the ability to write over 100,000 times, it's a fantastic alternative to paper and pencils, reducing waste. Safety is paramount. The battery compartment is secured with a screw, preventing little hands from accessing it. It's built to be a secure and worry-free toy for your child. More than just a toy, it's an educational tool. It provides ample space for drawing and learning, fostering imagination and enhancing preschool or homeschool experiences. Lightweight and durable, this tablet is ideal for travel. Its shock-resistant design makes it perfect for car rides, airplane journeys, and keeping kids entertained on the go. Enjoy mess-free coloring. With a simple erase button, the screen clears in seconds. A lock key even saves their masterpieces. Lines appear brighter under light for better visibility. This is a wonderful gift for young children to practice writing and drawing. It's a versatile toy that's useful both at home and during travel, supporting their development. What we like. This drawing tablet offers a safe and mess-free creative outlet for young artists. Its eye protection screen ensures comfortable extended use, and the portable design makes it perfect for travel. If you're looking for a way to keep your child entertained and engaged on the go, without the worry of messy art supplies, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The design is very engaging and keeps my son entertained for hours. It's a durable toy that has withstood rough play. Number 4. Dinosaur Night Light Projector Toy. Experience the wonder of our creative LED projector, featuring realistic dinosaurs and cars. It creates gorgeous, dreamy, and charming visual effects that will surely impress your children and guests. This projection lamp offers a 360-degree rotation with 16 color combinations. You can choose a fixed color or dynamic flashing, making it perfect for decorating any room. It's easy and convenient to power. You can use 4AA batteries or a 5V USB cable, making it a great decorative light for bedrooms, living rooms, and even outdoor settings. Designed with children in mind, this toy uses safe, non-toxic materials. The soft, uniform, and flicker-free light ensures it won't harm their eyes, providing a user-friendly experience. Looking for a unique gift? This is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, Easter, or any occasion. It's a lifelike and exciting present for boys and girls aged 3 and up. For the best visual experience, use it in a dark room or against a white wall. Remember not to overlap themes for the clearest, most magical patterns. What we like. This unique night light transforms a child's room into a magical space with its dinosaur and car projections. With 16 color options and dual power modes, it offers a customizable and convenient ambience. If you want to create a dreamy and enchanting atmosphere for your child's bedroom, especially for dinosaur enthusiasts, this projector is a fantastic gift. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. The design is very engaging, with bright colors and interactive elements that keep children entertained for hours. It's made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety and longevity. Number 3. Toysmith Tech Gear Multi-Voice Changer. Get ready for endless fun with 8 unique voice effects. You can mix and match them to create hundreds of amazing new sounds. Just adjust the levers to change the pitch and volume. This toy doesn't just change your voice, it also amplifies it and flashes with colorful LED lights. It's perfect for interactive play and sure to be a hit. Take the excitement anywhere with this cool outdoor toy. It's ideal for parties, surprises, or just adding some extra fun to your day. Small enough to take anywhere, this gadget is perfect for travel. It's a great addition to any collection of fun gadgets or novelty gifts. No need to wait, it comes with a battery included. With its retro design and easy controls, you can start having hours of entertainment right out of the box. Make your voice heard like never before. This device amplifies your sound, letting you project your voice with exciting new effects. What we like. This voice changer toy brings interactive fun with its multiple voice effects and light-up features. It amplifies the user's voice, making it perfect for imaginative play and outdoor adventures. If your child loves to play pretend, make silly sounds, or be the center of attention, this gadget will provide hours of entertainment. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play, making it a long-lasting investment. Its interactive features and engaging design keep children entertained for hours, promoting creative play. Number 2. Klutz Lego Gearbot STEM Activity Kit. Discover the exciting world of STEM with this incredible activity kit. You'll build amazing, physics-driven creatures that move and groove. Using Lego Technic bricks and papercraft, you can construct 8 unique kinetic creatures. It's a hands-on way to bring your creations to life. No need to search for extra parts. This kit provides every Lego element required for your building adventures. Just open the box and start creating. Dive into the fascinating principles of STEM with the included 64-page book. You'll explore concepts like axles, cams, and cranks through engaging content. Follow along with clear, step-by-step instructions to ensure successful builds. It's designed to make learning and building fun for everyone. This kit is ideal for young minds aged 8 to 12, sparking curiosity and creativity. It's a fantastic way to learn about engineering in everyday machines. What we like. This activity kit combines the fun of Lego building with STEM education, allowing kids to construct physics-driven kinetic creatures. It includes all the necessary Lego Technic bricks and a detailed guide to learning about engineering principles. If you're looking for an engaging way to introduce your child to science, technology, engineering, and math concepts through hands-on building, this kit is ideal. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. The design is very engaging, with bright colors and interactive elements that keep children entertained for hours. It's made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety and longevity. Number 1. Goopow Kids Camera. Introducing the Goopow Kids Camera, designed for children aged 3 to 8. It's incredibly simple for them to use, just switch it on and start capturing memories. This digital camcorder comes with a fun, soft cartoon cover that's perfect for little hands. It's rechargeable via USB, offering hours of creative fun. Looking for the best Christmas, birthday, or festival gift? This camera is a fantastic choice for both boys and girls, sparking their creativity. It features a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, providing 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous use. A SD card is also included, so they can start snapping photos right away. Operation is straightforward, just turn it on and let the fun begin. It's designed for easy handling and immediate enjoyment for your child. Please note, charging should be done by an adult or under adult supervision. Use a standard 1A charger or lower for optimal battery care. What we like. This kid's digital camera is designed for little ones to explore their creativity and capture memories. It features a durable, child-friendly design with a fun cartoon cover and is easy to operate with a rechargeable battery. If you want to encourage your child's interest in photography and videography in a safe and simple way, this camera is a great starter option. What people say. The remote control is easy for my son to operate. It has a good range and the car is very responsive. The battery life is impressive, lasting for a good amount of playtime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.